Hey, what's up everybody? Just want to show you all this auxiliary phone device charger I made up. I made this primarily to use when we go camping or when I go on hunts where I don't have electricity. It'll charge my phone and then my cameras for several days without having to be recharged. So I bought this little ammo box at Academy, and then I ordered this little auxiliary. It had charger or input. It has for a cigarette lighter plug, and then it has a USB right here. I got that off of Amazon for like 10 bucks, and it came with the wiring harness also. I'll show you that. So it came with the wiring harness right here, and I just wired it into a little battery. You can use any kind of a battery that would fit in the box, like a motorcycle battery or like a lawnmower battery would work really good. I just got it wired in right there. Like I said, it'll charge anything that can be charged by a cigarette lighter or by a USB. It'll charge it for quite a while. Hope y'all like it.